share with you two questions that you can utilize to resolve the conflicts in your marriage. Hi, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I invite you to join me on the journey to marital success. Just click the subscribe button and smash that notification bell. In that case, you'll be among the first to receive my videos as soon as they are released. Okay, now two questions to use in your bid to resolve the conflicts in your relationship. Now, by the way, let me just share with you something about conflicts. Matthew 5 and verse 24 reminds us, leave your goods at the altar. It says, if you have aught against your brother, first, leave your goods at the altar, go and reconcile with your brother, then come again and worship. Friends, did you know that to reconcile with your brother, to resolve conflicts in your marriage, is even more important than worship? Some people say, well, you know, I'm going to the house of worship. Oh, you know, but yet their spouse is left crying at home in tears because of an unresolved conflict that they had. You see, friends, God is saying, apply the brakes for a moment. Spend some time, resolve the conflict with your spouse. And then you're ready to enter the place of worship. So for God, this is very important. Resolving conflicts in your relationship. And so, friends, today I want to share with you two questions that you can ask in your bid to resolve the conflict in your marriage. The first question is this: what can I do to make it right? Oh, yes. Friends, when you ask your spouse a question like this after a conflict, you know what it shows? It shows humility. It puts you in a place of being a learner. Here, I am now teachable. Tell me what it is you really want to tell me a long time ago. It gives them an opportunity even to vent, to express their deep emotion, to decompress, and to unleash what has been bothering them a long time ago. And when they start to vent the deep emotion of their heart and to express their hurt, your job is not to try to fix them. No, your job is to listen. And even if they said something that seems to run contrary to your viewpoint, just listen. You see, friends, when you listen, you stand in the place of a therapist because you are giving them an opportunity to heal. One of the reasons people talk is to heal. They are venting their emotion. They are bringing out of their soul the deep hurt, bringing it out in the open so they can heal. Your job, friends, what they need from you is not so much somebody to give them advice or to fix them. One of the things I sometimes say to men, stop fixing and start listening. And also, it's true also for ladies. A lot of men sometimes say, well, you know, my wife does not understand me. Why? She does not listen to me. And so, friend, this is an opportunity now to give your spouse an opportunity just to talk. What can I do to make it right? And as they explain what you can do to reform, to change your mindset so you can have a better relationship, just listen. And in your mind, you're thinking, wow, I thank you for telling me this. How can I reform? You're thinking right now, how can I repair the marriage, the brokenness in the relationship? So what can I do to make it right? That's a good question you can ask your spouse, right? In your effort to heal or repair the brokenness in your relationship. The next question that you can ask in your bid to resolve conflict is this: may I hold your hand? Wow, this can work magic, friends. For example, you and your spouse just had a very heated conversation. As a matter of fact, an altercation. And you are now at odds with each other. You are at an impasse in the relationship, and there doesn't seem to be any way of finding resolution. And say, for example, they are seated on the couch. What you can say, can I sit beside you? Oh yeah, may I sit beside you? Then they may say, well, it's up to you. Or what do you think? Then, if you sense that they now gave you the green light to sit beside them, you just go gently and take a seat beside them, saying nothing. Cease talking, okay? Just be calm. And then after you're seated for a moment, feel the pulse of the moment. Try to understand their emotion. And then you can say, next step, may I hold your hand? Oh, and then they may say, okay, I don't know. But you can feel when they give you the affirmation, the answer in the affirmative. They may not say yes directly, but at least you know when it's okay. And then you friends, you just go and you hold their hand gently. Wow. When you do that, friends, something happens when you hold your spouse's hand. Oh, yes. The feel-good hormone, the dopamine start being secreted in their brain. The oxytocin, wow, that bonding hormone. You know, it gives them a sense of a good feeling, you know, and immediately you feel the tension start subsiding. And then you feel that slowly you are experiencing harmony in the relationship. Hello, friends. Just try those 2 questions, okay? What can I do to make it right? And number 2, may I sit beside you? And then, may I hold your hand? You try that and you let me know your experience, okay? Now, friends, if you found benefit in this video today and you'd like to join me on the journey to marital success, that's my aim, to make bad marriages good and good marriages better. And so if you'd like to join me and to share it in my other video presentation, by the way, what I'd like you to do is to ask your question or make your comment below. Your questions or your comment give me clues as to the content of my next video. Okay, subscribe below and I'll see you in the next video.